Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Crownedksutherland. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button, and become a part of the family. Become a part of the CK gang. Y'all already know the deal if you're used to my channel by now. If you see me with a wig cap on, you already know that it's going to be a wig review and a wig install, guys. This hair was sent to me by luvmehair. I've done a review for them before, and y'all can check that out. I'll leave that in the description bar down below. So this is what the box looks like. I really like their packaging. This hair, I believe, is a short wig. Again, it's a curly wig. I think their packaging is really nice. You get a wig cap. You get a little bag with hair accessories and stuff, which is like really cute. Hairpins. Get this really cute hair clip. You get a scarf to tie around your head. You get a rat tail comb. Tweezers, and a elastic band for the inside of the wig, which I think is pretty cool. They give you like a lot of free gifts, and I love free gifts, so it's really, really cool. And all the gifts that they give can be used for your hair. So this is the wig, straight up the packaging. I think this is, I'm not gonna say what I think it is, I'll leave it in the description bar, but this is a curly unit and it should be 8 inches. You know, it's the summertime, so you want that short do because of this extra heat. But this is the hair out of the packaging. I really like the color. The color is really bomb. This is a cute bob, and I feel like it's gonna look super cute because it's the summer. See, because it's the summertime. This is the inside of the wig. Has 1, 2, 3. It has 4 clips on the inside. It has a elastic band as well as the usual adjustable straps. This is what it looks like just straight out of the packaging on my head. But you know, we're gonna finesse this. Like, I'm about to add like some water and some product to like really get it popping and looking cute. After removing the lace, guys, I'm gonna go in with ORS Olive Oil's Fix It spray, and I've been using this spray a lot as of late in like all my videos. It works the same just as the Got To Be Free spray. However, it doesn't like turn white as how the free spray does, so I've been using this a lot, and I'm just gonna spray that like on my hairline, and not my hairline, but on my forehead area, like right in front of my hair. And yeah, I'm gonna just blow dry that on cool, and then I'm going to add it, and I'll just use as much spray as needed. until I get the hair secure. After securing the unit, I'm gonna go in and change the part. It was a little bit like too high for me, so I wanted to change the part just a little bit lower. I'm gonna go in with some Aphogee styling mousse. This is gonna help like the part to lay a bit better. And I did go in with my hot comb on the root. Like guys, my hot comb really has just been acting up, so it isn't like laying my hair how it's supposed to lay. So I'm definitely gonna be buying a hot comb soon. I know I said this in like other videos, so don't come for me, but I will. So I'm going to like just like change the part, then I'm gonna go in with some water and just like get the hair really like saturated so I can go in with my brush to like detangle and get those curls a bit more defined. And then I'm gonna go in with the Cantu Define and Shine Custard. This is a product that works really well on all my curly hair, and yeah, that's what I used on the hair. And okay, yeah, I went and I did my face, guys. I'm sorry, I did my makeup off camera, and then I did my baby hairs off camera too. Then I'm gonna go in with the Cantu product on the hair, not a lot, just like a little bit, and then I'm just gonna brush that through and cut off any like extra hair around my eye area. So I'm just gonna trim the bangs just a little bit, and then that's literally it. This unit is really easy, like it's a really cute, easy style. Like it's definitely summer approved, and yeah, it's pretty cute, and it's a very like affordable unit. So anyways guys, let me know down below your thoughts on this video. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and most importantly, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Like I'm still trying to get to 50K. Like what are y'all doing? Like okay. Thank you guys so much for like tuning into another one of my tutorials. All the information will be down in the description bar for those hair. So if you're interested, you can definitely like click in the link down below to purchase your unit. Catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.